Hello everyone, welcome to Dickson's Java 101 tutorial 3, and today I'm going to explain data types and compute basic math algorithms. Let's move this here. So I've created a new project called tutorial 3, created a class with data types, and I've also imported a scanner here, so java.util.scanner. And here's our main class. So first of all, I'd like to explain the different data types. We have int for whole numbers, and these are with no decimal points, so 2, 3, 10, etc. Then we have a data type called double, and these refer to numbers that have decimal points. So for example, decimal numbers 2.5, 10.5. Then we have a data type called string, and string are usually referred to groups of words or groups of letters. So group of words like hello. So we need to define the variable as a data type, as I've shown in my previous example. So let's just give us an example here. So I'm going to create a scanner, so scanner input equal new scanner system dot in semicolon. So create a scanner. I'm going to ask myself a question. I need a capital letter. So what is 5 plus 5? SYSO, control spacebar, speech marks. What is 5 plus 5? So just in this example, I want to portray that in order to write an input for the user, we have to create data types. And since 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, which is a whole number, then we have to use int as our data type. So we can go int answer and creating answer as a variable. So int answer equal input dot next int open bracket closing bracket and then semicolon. So we created an answer as a variable. Now we want to compute the answer. So we will go system.out.println your answer is plus our answer variable, which the user enters a number into answer, and that's why we use this line to print the variable out. Gonna add that, put a period. Just want to give you an example here. So the program is compiling. What is 5 plus 5? I'm going to hit 10. Your answer is 10. So for example, if I want to enter decimal answer and I put it as int, this will give me a compile error. Just want to show you this. I'm just going to create a space here. What is 5 plus 5? I assume it's like 10.00. See, it gives us an error because 10.00 is a double data type. So I'll just give you an answer. As coders, we like to copy codes, so we can copy this, or copy the whole line. So what is 5.5 plus 5.5? And that should give me 11. As you can see, answer is underlined in red because we've got duplicate variables. So I'm going to change this to double, which is double, and I usually put a 2 to differentiate the variables input.next, and we have to put double here. So system.out.println, your answer for decimal point is, put answer 2, and we run the program. What is 5 plus 5? 10. Your answer is 10. What is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5? Assume it's going to be 11, so 11.0. Enter. Your answer for decimal is 11.0. Now I want to portray the string. There's a little bit of interruption, so continue to do the string data type. So I'm going to create a response as a data type string. So string response is equal to next input dot next. So just a recap, so when it's a string, you don't have anything after dot next. So string response. So I'm just gonna make something up saying SYSO. What are you doing? So the user can enter the string of words into response. So we're just gonna compute that. SYSO response here, so it's gonna be response plus period. So let's give that a try. What is 5 plus 5? 10. Your answer is 10. What is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5? 11. When it's a double, you have to enter a decimal point. And 11.0, what are you doing? Typing. Response typing. So as you can see, you must have the correct data type for certain inputs. And now I just want to give you how to compute a basic algorithm. So for example, in int, we want to create probably 3 variables. So int a is equal to 5, int b is equal to 10, and we can say assume c is equal to a plus b. To compute that, we can just put c in our system.out.println statement. If a is 5, b is 10, and c is equal to a plus b, the answer for c is, you put on the next line, put enter, and pluses, they do it, the computer does it automatically for you. C is C, and closing. So all good, so there's no errors. So C should be 15, because 5 plus 10 is 15. We could do this again. Or if A is 5, B is 10, C is equal to A plus B, the answer for C is 15. Awesome, so this simple algorithm works. And you can also apply it for double, so I can just copy and paste it and put it into double. As you can see, we've got duplicate variables, and when you have double, you have to change all the int into double. And make sure you have different variables. So that'd be C, we'll put D, E, F. Okay, let's put this as 10. let's have this as 20. We can put D times E and then plus E. And make sure when you have a more complex algorithm, you follow the order of operations. For myself, I personally like to use bit mass. Bit mass, so B stands for brackets, E stands for exponents, D for division, M for multiplication. What happened? Bit B, D, N for multiplication, A is for addition, S is for subtraction. So just follow that, keep that in mind. Let's put here order of operations. So it's just going to compute F. So I can just go, this one is O and F. Let's put double answer. Let's compile and run this program. What is 5 plus 5? 10. What is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5? Oops, I think I copied it again. Oh no, that's correct. 11.0. Your answer for this was 11. Double answer. So 10 times 20 is 200 plus 20 is 220. Awesome, so we have the right answer. So just a recap, give a summary, make sure you have a constant variable, all the n's into 1, and all the doubles into 1. When you go through the program and you can castenate it, you can upcast it or downcast it. But just to have this simple tutorial, just want to have things constant. So give it a try and hope you like the tutorial. Thank you.